Hi my beauty babes, and welcome back to another video. So today guys, I have a very excited video. This video is showing you all some of my products I do have on my website, and as well this video is a giveaway. I'll be giving away some of my glitters. So yeah guys, you all could just sit back, get something to drink, get something to eat, and this video will not be long, but I hope you all do enjoy. So one thing I want to say first is my website is local, meaning that I only ship in Trinidad and Tobago, and as well, if you do not have a credit card, guys, you can shop on my website. You just have to go on TNT listing. That is where I list all my products, and sign up for a account. And when you purchase, when you add whatever that you want on my website in your cart, when you are checking out, check out with SurePay, guys. And after, when you check out with SurePay, you do have to go in any Massy stores, pay for your item, and your item will be shipped to you in, I believe it's 2 days. I did put on my website 1 to 2 days, I believe that. And it has some products is I think it's 10 days that you do have to wait for that to come in. So yeah guys, you go on my website and pay for your item, and your item will be shipped with TTBOs. So yeah guys, let's just jump right into the video. So I do have about 5 collection, some is repeats that I did probably a couple, two or 3 years ago. I started selling glitter, so I do have some repeats that I do have on my site. So the first collection I'm going to show you is the diamond collection, and this is it here guys. This is the diamond collection. It's very pretty. You do get some green, some pink, some yellow, some orange and stuff. It have some metallic and some holographic. You do get 6 jars in this. So when you all check out Caribbean glitter, some glitter is more expensive than some, but guys, it will not break your pocket. They are very reasonable. So let me just show you guys the first color. So guys, this is the diamond collection, so you all can pick this up on my website. Second collection I'm going to show you guys is the fairy collection, and this is it right here. You do get 6 jars as well, and these jars is 10 grams. Yeah guys, this is the fairy collection, I hope you all purchase it. This is one of my favorite. So the next collection, I do have this one called Mystic Garden. This collection have butterflies and flowers and lots of stuff that you will find in a garden. So the next collection I'm going to show you guys is my Mermaid Collection. I do always have to have a Mermaid Collection, guys. So this is it right here. Some beautiful, beautiful mermaid colors. So the last collection I'll be showing you guys is the Unicorn Collection, and this is it here, guys. This is one of my fave. It's so pretty. So this is the Unicorn Collection. This is the Unicorn Collection. So guys, you could pick this up on my website. So let me show you guys what I will be giving away. Guys, it's like my first giveaway, so I want it to be something that I will know, that's something that you all will love. So I'll be giving away some of my glitter. I will be giving away, let me show you what I'll be giving away. Okay, I'll be giving away one of the Unicorn Collection. Okay, and I will be giving away one of the Mermaid Collection. One of the Mermaid Collection. Okay, and then, and this, guys, this is like for two different winners, right? So one winner will get the Mermaid Collection, one winner will get the Unicorn Collection, right? So let me just put it there like that, and then I will be giving the Mystic Garden Collection. I will be giving away one of this and one of this. one of this. I will be adding the fairy collection, and then I'll be adding the diamond collection. Okay guys, this is what I will be giving away. I will be giving away the unicorn collection with part of the Mystic Garden collection, and as well the diamond collection, and I will be giving away the mermaid collection with part of the Mystic Garden collection and the fairy collection. This is for 2 winners, guys. I hope you all join this giveaway. For this giveaway, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram and follow me on YouTube and leave a comment on this video, and guys, you'll enter. I'll be running it probably by the end of this month. You all will get your package. I will pick a winner and you all will get your package. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you beauties in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.